Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify this exponential problem. And here's our problem, -8 and then power -2/3. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. So here is our problem. I have just copied it down over here and we're gonna manipulate it nicely so we can get our answer. So there are many different ways we can do this problem. So let me show you the way I'm going to do it. Let's focus on this -2/3. And here I have copied it down. -2/3 could be written as 2 times -1/3. So I can write this one as -8 and then power 2 times -1/3. Now we can write this one -8 power 2 like this thing, -8 and then power 2 and then power -1/3 by using this power rule. And we know that this -8 square is positive 64. As you can see over here, always remember, if you have a negative number and you have an even exponent, you're going to get a positive answer, and then power simply -1/3. And now this 64 could be written as, in terms of exponent, 4 power 3. Let's go ahead and write down 4 power 3 and then power -1/3. And now we can write this, first of all, just leave 4 power 3 over here, and then this -1/3 could be written as 1/3 times -1. And now this part could be written as 4 power 3 times 1/3 and then power -1 by using this power rule once again. And now over here 3 and 1/3, they cancel each other out, so we simply got 4 and then power -1. And now we want to make these exponent positive. I can write 1/4 power 1, which is same as 1/4, and that's our simplified answer. Thus our answer turns out to be a 1/4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.